We'll guide you through how to delete Apple Maps data on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Perhaps you're finding that Apple Maps data is taking up a lot of storage on your iPhone. I'll guide you through how you can go about clearing this and deleting it. Make sure this full guide so you know what to do step by step to go and free up the space. So let's go and get right into this. To get started, you can go and open up settings like so. Then what you can do is go down, find the option for general, and you can go and tap there. And then what you can do is go and find the option for iPhone storage, and you can go and tap there. Now what you need to do here is you can go and scroll down and you can go and find maps. You may need to go and scroll further down and press show all depending upon how many apps you've got and how much storage has been taken up. You can always search for it at the bottom. So you can see at the moment my map's taking up 921 megabytes, which is a lot of space. So what we can do is you want to come out of your settings and go and open up maps like so. Here we are. Now what you can do is you can navigate around, but what we need to do is go to the bottom right and go and press on your icon there. Yours will probably be different to mine if I've got a custom one, but go and tap on your profile icon. Then you want to go down here, you'll see some different options, but what you need to do is you need to go and head into offline maps like so. In here will be maps you've gone and downloaded, and these will go and take up space. You can see here I've got one taking up 800 megabytes. So what you can do is go and swipe on it from right to left. Then you'll go and see rename and delete. So you can go and press delete like so, and you've now gone and deleted it. You may have to go repeat that if you've got multiple. Then what you can do is come out of here and come back to your settings, and hopefully the space will then go and be reduced. You may need to go and come off of it. Then we can go and press search, type in maps, and as you can see, we saved a lot of space there. If you're still finding taking up more space, then what you can do is go and hold your finger on the Apple Maps app and then press remove app, and you can go and press delete app, and you can delete it and go and free up all of that space like so. There we go. That is how it can be done. If you found this useful and you've now managed to go and free up the space, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. We've got more guides like this on the channel and a lot more to come as well. So make sure you go and stay tuned for more as we cover anything from iPhone to different softwares to Android to everything in between.